what's up. So the Penske rental truck showed up, and apparently they are FedEx because we now have my unlost Fortunato coilovers. What's up, kids? We are working on the FC. Shocker. Back to doing FC things. We put on some dollies, we pulled it because we couldn't mount this fender. So we have the fenders, I would say, fully mounted, final, hard mounted. Yeah. We're just working on the hood gap right now, so we gotta slaughter holes over on this side, push the fender out, tighten it down, and then see where it lines up. Then we do our bumper, and then we cut our fender vents, and we're mint. Am I drilling or are you drilling?
I'll drill.
Alright, Harrison will drill. I need to hold.
It's hitting on the pinch weld over here, so it'll only come over that far. So if it doesn't...
Well, let's see how it looks then.
Yeah. Doing
that. I guess we just pull it over as far as we can.
Yeah.
Until it hits the bench weld and tighten her in.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
You have the...
Yes. This is in my pocket for all the other tools. And Sharpies. Actually, I don't know where the silver Sharpie went. I still have the gold one though.
That's good.
It's in my frocket.
We may end up just having to shave this, sand it down, and back it with some fiberglass. Hopefully not.
Hopefully not, because I told the internet this required no cutting. Alright. Hood time. I've got to put the camera down for this.
How long has this leaf been in my hair? Yeah.
We got our hood gaps set. They are, they're close. They're way better than they used to be. Granted, because when we did the hood pins, we never cared about hood gaps. So I just kind of drilled them. And how it lined up, it lined up.
And then every once in a while we kind of hammer them around.
Yeah, you just smash them. Smash the like button. Smash the arrow catch latch, same thing.
Same.
We should just put like button stickers on all the...
Don't forget to smash that like button.
Smash the arrow catch latch. So, yeah, we got some pretty mint gaps. Now we got to do our bumper. Then we get to cut into our minty fenders for these vents.
They'll be ruined. Not the eBay fenders.
Ruin everything. We got Alfredo, Truck Adventure Boy back. We're doing, what was that?
Sound of adventure.
I have no idea.
Truck makes noises, so Alfie's putting wheel spacers on because he wants to be a redneck yee equivalent to a stance boy. And I need to cut his driver's side fender. We'll do that after he does his spacers. Harrison's working on our professional awesome fender vents, which are very professional and awesome.
So awesome.
So awesome. So we talked to Pineapple. He gave us a rough place on where to put them. So Harrison's measuring, and we're just gonna go to town and
start hacking stuff up.
get cutting. Alfie, I broke my phone or my camera mount thing. Rip. See, it's like just split.
Oh. Is that a real one or a Joby or a real Joby?
Probably because it came from Glenn.
Oh, yeah.
Do we not have painter's tape?
No, I don't think so. We don't really need tape, to be honest.
That's a good point.
Like, it's not like this is paint. We can just draw on it. I was thinking the tape might.
Pleating.
Cool. No tape. You live and learn, kids.
Don't put arrow tape.
What?
That's a lot of kidding.
It's fine.
Good thing we're cutting it out.
Harrison is doing our measuring. I'd like to add, we got the rear wide body for the FC2, and thank you to everybody that purchased the Runnin' in the 90s stickers. Y'all's funding has helped go to that rear wide body and to go fixing this thing. So we actually supposed to get the coilovers today. Just a fun fact, anytime anybody sends me something, a shipping company just manages to fuck it up. So with these front fenders, UPS lost them. Right now, FedEx lost my coilovers from Fortune, but they found them, but then they said my address doesn't exist, so that's a whole ordeal. So hopefully those will be here today. And then, go to where we're at. So, we got cutting, we got wheel spacers, got everything. Alfie, did you get your new lug nuts?
Yeah.
Nice. What color?
Oh, pipe sealant.
That's pipe sealant. Pretty sure I have red. I know I have red. I know Harrison has red.
Wheel spacers are sketchy.
Hey, keep your opinions to yourself.
That's the kind that you have.
Mine are mint.
Yeah, sure they are. I mean, look at it.
Do we want to jigsaw it?
I'd honestly rather Dremel it.
Okay, well, let's get Dremel. So we all almost lost an eye. We got a cut-off wheel brake on the Dremel. And we don't know, it just flew somewhere.
Not into my eye.
Not into our eyes. We thought you died because you didn't say anything, so we're like, oh shit, Alfie's dead. Alfie got killed from across the truck. Where's the Dremel?
I threw it in the garbage so it could never hurt us again.
Perfect.
Actually, I don't.
It's probably on the workbench in your space.
Yeah. That's a good assumption.
So Harrison's almost got our hole cut. We got to go a little bit deeper, and we got a hole.
What are
Alfie's,
you using then on the car?
what?
What were you using?
The Dremel?
Oh.
Because the body saw is just fucked. And Harbor Freight doesn't sell blades for it. You just gotta buy another one.
You lying, bro?
Yeah,
That's stupid.
I know. Real shitty kind of thing there. But you know, Harbor Freight's not good people.
It's too wide, but once we do that, it'll snug up against it.
We got a fucking vent. Hell yeah.
It's pretty dope.
Let's trim that flange.
Okay. Is it this one or that one? This one.
What do you mean, which one?
Because this one, I already marked this one.
Okay. So we're trimming the one in your hand?
Yeah.
We got a fender vent, boy. Look at this. Look at this. What? Okay. Fender vent. Thanks, 7. I don't know. I probably should be doing laundry.
It's not bad. It's 155.
Okay. I'll throw in a load of laundry. Dude, this vent is fucking rad.
I like it.
It got wider. No, this is gonna be real spicy. It's got one more side to do. And then it's like sanding and shit. And then Alfredo paints it.
There you go.
What's up? So, the Penske rental truck showed up. And apparently they are FedEx, because we now have my unlost Fortunato coilovers. So they're just like, yo, are you James Wood? And we're like, yep. He's like, here you go. Could have been anybody. Let's see what we get. Ooh, we got a fancy bag. We got 2 boxes. That thing's knocking.
As they do. I'm kind of excited about this.
I'm very excited about this, my dude. Woo! Ah! Nope, that's a rear. I want a front. That's a front. Fortune does a way better packing job than I do.
Yeah.
Because I just literally wrapped, I put them in a big bundle of duct tape when I sent them back, the old ones. But they got put in the trash, so
Yeah.
not the end of the world. I'm stabbing myself in the face.
Whoa. Damn. Those are shiny.
They're shiny. Oh,
Prototype.
that's my name.
Jam wad.
Jam Wads. September 2020. I got these on my birthday. Wow. So, yeah, here are our Fortune Auto 510s. Inverted shocks. A little dampening adjustment on the bottom now, so that might be fun, or I don't know. We'll deal with that. But, we got shocks. These things are rad, dude.
Those are badass.
Alfie.
Crazy.
My name's on shit.
That's fucking sweet. Just like, we knew that, but
It's cool to see in person.
yeah,
Word.
those are dope.
So these will be in another video, but we got shocks. Good thing FedEx didn't lose them.
Yeah, that would have been
I've been real sad.
really shitty.
Dude, these are beefy boys, man. Put a link in the description where you guys can get your very own Professional Awesome aero vents. Remember, they are for race cars. They are not show car quality, so keep that in mind. They try to keep them low cost, so they're 3D printed. They are what they are. Really good in my opinion. Love them for a race car. You show car people, also I don't know why you would want those vents, but if you do, they might not be perfect. So I'll drop a link in the description. Alright guys, there you have it for the fender vent install. Let me know what you guys think of the Professional Awesome louvers. And we will see y'all next time. I've got a couple new announcements for some cool sponsorships that we're doing. And some new car parts that are coming to the FC. So let me know what you guys think about the wide body, or the front wide body and the aero vents. We will catch y'all later. Bye y'all. Peace.